Hello and hi to everyone. Welcome back to my channel Product Secrets Review. So today I'm going to review one newly launched dishwashing gel. So this is from the brand name called Stanfresh, which is enriched with lemon and neem. Here it claims that it is an anti-germ liquid dishwash gel. So friends, in this video I'm going to give you a full detailed review of this particular gel. Along with that, I will also show you the demo of it. So for that, please do watch the video till the end. Without any further delay, let's get started. So now first of all, let's talk about its looks and features. So this dishwash gel looks exactly same as that of a Vim gel. I hope you can notice that. Everything is similar except they have changed the brand name. It comes in a plastic bottle container and then it has a pointed cap for taking the gel out. And then the color is also exactly similar to that of Vim gel. So that is it about the features and the looks. Now at the front it is written Stanfresh anti-germ dishwash gel made of lemon and neem. So this bottle quantity has 500 ml weight, and then this bottle will cost you for 90 rupees. Its shelf life given is for 2 years. So guys, now let's get to know more about what the company claims about this product and what are its benefits. So this dishwash gel is enriched with lemon and neem. So I hope you already knew that how lemon and neem works for any type of cleaning purposes and all. And then it says that this Stanfresh dishwash gel cleans the utensils profoundly and not at all like dishwash bars. Obviously, why not? It doesn't leave any white layer after cleaning utensils with this gel. Just a 1 spoon of Stanfresh gel is sufficient for cleaning out one sink brimming with filthy utensils. It gives a wonderful cleaning experience and gives reviving lemon and neem aroma during cleaning utensils. It is very delicate on hands as compared to other cleaning gels. It can securely be utilized to clean sensitive utensils and a wide range of costly ceramics, including non-stick cookware. It kills 99.9% of germs. It doesn't leave any scratches on the surfaces and keeps the utensils looks new. So friends, you have seen that these are all the benefits that you can have by using this dishwash gel. So now let's start with a demo and know the right usage of this gel. Firstly, take 1 spoon of Stanfresh gel and mix it in a bowl of water. Second steps, dip the sponge or scrubber and use that to clean all the filthy utensils and get germ-free clean utensils. Also, the third steps that you can follow is if your karai or cook pot gets too much greasy or have tough oils, for that case you can use the gel directly on sponge and clean it. So guys, here you can see my utensils after cleaning and drying. You can see that it has no any white layer over the plates. It has removed all the dirt or greases from the utensils and now it is looking very new. So friends, that's it for today. Hope you have found this review video helpful. If so, then please give it a like, comment down below and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in my next video.